Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing a camera and getting into camera view so you can see what you will change. Select an existing camera or add one with Shift-A camera, then press numpad 0 to enter camera view. Once done, make sure the camera is the active object in the outliner so transforms affected. You'll use both viewport navigation and object transforms, so keep the gizmo enabled and set pivot to individual origins for predictable rotation behavior as you proceed. Now you change the angle efficiently by aligning the camera to a viewport orientation and locking it. Move the viewport to the angle you want using Orbit, then enable Lock Camera to view in the sidebar so the camera follows your viewport navigation. Alternatively, select the camera and press R then X, Y, or Z to rotate on a specific axis. Press G to grab and shift position. Once positioned, disable Lock Camera to view to prevent accidental moves and confirm framing in camera view. Finish by fine-tuning focal length and sensor shift so your angle reads correctly. Open the camera properties and tweak focal length or Shift X/Y and enable depth of field if needed. If this is part of an animation, set keyframes with I for location/rotation to lock your angle over time. If the camera behaves unexpectedly, make sure no constraints or parent objects are interfering. And if needed, clear transforms with Alt-G and Alt-R. Then reposition and reapply constraints carefully to fix alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.